In structural engineering, composite materials are defined as materials that work together as a single unit. However, they are made up of more than one material. A famous example of that would be reinforced concrete, which involves the use of concrete and steel to form an element that works together as one. Examples of composite materials can be in any element of the structure of a building. However, in this video, I'm going to talk about composite materials for slabs, specifically a concrete slab with a profile metal decking. This kind of slab is very common for multi-story buildings, and it's widely used in the United Kingdom. The composition for the slab is usually a universal beam at which the metal decking rests at, a reinforcement mesh for the slab, and then finally the concrete. And the metal decking has to be connected with the universal beam using what's known as shear studs that looks like bolts. The profile metal decking in the slab acts as permanent formwork, therefore eliminating the need for it in the first place. Also, as it is made out of steel, it can increase the fire resistance and the overall strength for the slab. A profile metal decking slab can span from 2.5 meters up to 9 meters. This will depend on the depth of the decking, whether the decking is propped or not propped, the load applied by the concrete on the decking, the reinforcement mesh, and finally, the thickness of the concrete. To check how much a metal decking profile can span, we can use the load span tables provided by the manufacturer of that metal profile, thus ensuring a safe design. One of the main advantages of using metal decking is that it is very fast and easy to construct. Another advantage of using metal decking is that it can lower the thickness of concrete for longer slabs. For example, for a 4-meter span, the depth of the concrete required can be around 130 millimeters, depending on the structural design. Finally, using metal decking can provide an overall lower weight than using conventional concrete or reinforced concrete in a building. It can also cause the construction project to have a reduced cost.